Hello children, welcome back. And so today we are going to solve sums on quadrilaterals and the given figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to CD. So this line is parallel to this line. Find measure of CBD. So now you have to identify what is CBD, children. So CBD means it is CB and BD. So where is CB? This is CB. And where is BD? This is BD. So CB is this line and BD is this line. So you have to find angle CBD. So this is what we have to find. So now let us see. If you know that AB is parallel to CD and then BD becomes the transversal, children, right? So if this is 30, what will be this, children? I'll show you. If AB is like this and CD is like this is AB, right? And this is CD. And BD is the transversal. And this they have told that ये 30 degree है. So don't you think these are interior angles, children? Inside the box. And this is forming a crisscross. So ये कौन सा एंगल हुआ? Yes, it is alternate interior angles, and because the lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. So if this is 30, this also will be 30 because they form a crisscross. So now this becomes 30 degree. Okay. Now let me take this as x. Why I am taking this as x? Now I am going to take A, B, D triangle. Okay, this triangle A, B, D. This is A, B is here, and this is D. D I have taken as x. Just now I got this as 30, and A is already 112. Now according to angle sum property of a triangle, sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180. That means 112 plus this 30 degree plus this x will give me 180. So 112 plus 30 is 142 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 142. X is equal to 38 degree. So we have got x as 38 degree. Okay. Now let us go to the same diagram. Now we have got this as 38. So if this is 38, children, then what will be this? Interior angles and crisscross. Yes, this also becomes 38 degree because they form alternate interior angles. So we can say find measure of angle CBD. Angle CBD is 38 degree. Let us go to the next sum. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. So this line is parallel to this line. And BE is parallel to DF. BE is parallel to DF. That means this is parallel to this. So for easily understanding purpose. Now with one arrow you can say AB is parallel to CD. And with two arrows you can say BE is parallel to DF. Find X, Y, Z. Now if you see, children, X, Y is here and Z is here. Now I will take only BE line. And BE is intersected by CD. And down it is 85. This is X and this is Y. Okay. So I have separated the diagram for easy understanding. Now what do you think if BE is sleeping and this is an ray standing on CY? What will this form, children? Linear pair. Yes. So 85 plus X is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 85. So X is equal to 95. Now if X is 95, children, what will be Y? Cross. They are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, Y is also 95. So we got X 95 degree and we have got Y also 95 degree. Now let us move to the Z. Now we don't want this diagram, so we will just rub it off. Okay. Now Z is here. So now we want this line. This parallel we finished. Now let us take BE and let us take DF. They are parallel lines and this is standing like this. Right? C and this is Z. And where is 85, children? Here, right? Outside. So this is 85. Now, if this line is parallel to this line and CD is the transversal, what shape it is forming, children? Slipping, going down above the line. Slipping, going down above the line. Same pattern downwards. So they are corresponding angles, and because they are parallel lines, corresponding angles will be equal. So we can say Z is also 85 degree. Hope you understood, children. Keep practicing so that you will feel all these sums as very easy. Bye.